Hello learners, welcome to the complete ethical hacking course. We are exploring secrets of hackers. This course is a fully practical course in which the theory part also defines the practicals. So let's proceed to our scanning part 1. So what is scanning? If somebody asks you what is scanning of networks, then how will you explain it? Or how will you explain the interviewer? So network scanning refers to the use of computer network to gather information regarding computing systems. Network scanning is mainly used for security assessment, system maintenance, and also for performing attacks by hackers. Recognize available UDP and TCP network services running on the target network. So mainly scanning is means like port scanning, service scanning, operating system detection. They all comes under scanning phase. What are the goals of scanning? If you ask me, then I will tell you the goal of scanning is to find the open ports in the network and nothing else. Like you can see the port ranges from 0655536, and the well-known services has reserved port numbers you can see here from 0 to 1024. HTTP runs on 80, Telnet runs on 23, FTP runs on 2021 and all. Now, communication flags. What are different communication flags available? First, SYN, second, PSH push, third, acknowledgement ACK, fourth, URG urgent, fifth, fin finish, and sixth is RST reset. SYN is the first packet which goes to the server as fine. PSH push data to buffer. If there is data in the buffer, then you have to push it. Then the push PSH works. ACK is acknowledgement. Just get some acknowledgement from server using ACK. URG is for urgent. If you want to send some packets urgently, then you can use urgent. FIN for finish. If you want to finish the connection, then you can use FIN. RST is for reset a connection. Three-way handshaking. This is an important term in networking. What is three-way handshaking? So many guys you know about it, but you should learn again. Three-way handshaking is like communication between client and server, that how they communicate each other and create a establish connection between them. That time three-way handshaking works. In three-way handshaking, the initiator or the client send a SYN packet to the server. The server listen that, and he also send acknowledgement to the client that I have received SYN packet. And when he send ACK to the initiator will also send an ACK to confirm that I have got your acknowledgement. So that process is called three-way handshaking process to create a connection between client and server. Next, create a single packet. Like if I tell you that create a single TCP packet for me, how will you create it? So there is a tool which is Cola Soft Packet Builder, which enables creation custom network packets. Users can use this tool to check their network protection against attacks. In practical part, I have used Cola Soft Packet Builder. So in later part of video, you will watch that how you can create some custom packets using Cola Soft Packet Builder. It includes a very powerful editing feature. Besides common hex editing raw data, it features a decoding editor allowing users to edit specific protocol field values much easier. As you can see here, this is the field where you can edit the hex values. So this is all about our scanning part 1 video. In scanning part 2 video, we will learn some more technologies in scanning websites, or networks. Till then, bye bye, keep learning, never stop.